The open border lobby, there is, an ecosystem, the open border ecosystem, that has been put on notice. While a few self-styled saviors, I call them, were busy demanding rights for Rohingyas who entered our country illegally, the Supreme Court asked, should we roll out the red carpet for illegal intruders? Viewers, that is the law of the land. The court made it clear. Illegal migrants are not entitled to fundamental rights under Article 21. Full stop. No right to life, no right to liberty, no right to settle here just because they managed to cross the border. But the stance of the top court has riled this ecosystem. The ecosystem is angry. Congress ally and TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee, a senior lawyer no less, lost his mind. He launched a filthy attack on the Chief Justice of India himself. Viewers, this is the same ecosystem that screams Jai Samvidhan. The same people who swear by constitution when it suits them, but when the constitution is upheld, like the Supreme Court has in this case by protecting India's sovereignty, they attack the very judiciary that is also the custodian of that Samvidhan. Viewers, insulting the Supreme Court is not Nyay. Demanding rights for illegal Rohingyas is not humanity. The open border ecosystem stands exposed today. The NGOs that get foreign funds to push that line, that let's keep borders porous. The lawyers who file PILs for every intruder. The netas who want vote banks over national security. Viewers, the activists who cry genocide for Rohingyas but stay silent when Hindus are ethnically cleansed in Bangladesh. They want Nyay for illegals, but where is the Nyay for people of Assam, people of Tripura, Bengal, who are being demographically swamped? Where is the Nyay for our Jawans who guard the border? Now they would say, how are they guarding the border? How are these people entering India? Because the Supreme Court has drawn the red line. India is not a dharamshala. We are a sovereign nation, not a refugee camp for the world. And this lobby attacks the judiciary. They must remember, every time they weaken the court, they weaken the constitution. They pretend to worship. Where are the Samvidhan saviors? Why are they not endorsing what Supreme Court has said today? Why are they batting for illegal viewers? Why do they demand rights for intruders?
सब जज को कोई लूज कमेंट करना नहीं चाहिए। आजकल जज लोग ज्यादा बात करते हैं टीआरपी बढ़ाने के लिए, जजमेंट नहीं देते हैं।
शायद बीजेपी ने ऐसे व्यक्ति को बैठा लिया है चीफ जस्टिस की कुर्सी पे जो उनके इशारों पे नाचेंगे। ये दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है कि इस देश की संवैधानिक संस्थाएं न्याय करने की जगह सरकार की हाँ में हाँ मिला रही हैं।
Instead of championing the rights of Bhartiyas, they are championing the rights of Ghuspetiyas and Rohingyas. They love Ghuspetiyas and Rohingyas so much that they will attack even constitutional institutions. They are not Samvidhan Premis, they are Ghuspetiya Premis.
Mr. S. Balan, look at the human rights champs we have on the panel. Dr. Pulla Rao, Haji Rangrez, Ravi Srivastav. Mr. Balan, you want fundamental rights for people who enter India illegally? And you are smiling, sir?
See, fundamental right under Article 19 is different. Article 19 only for the citizens of this nation. Article 21 is for any human being. See, right to with dignity. See, you should follow law. You can't kill them. They have come there. They see you. Please follow due procedure of law. You can't just take a gun and shoot them down.
No, who's taking the gun and shooting them down? 1 minute, 1 minute. What is this distinction that you are making? Article 19 and Article 21?
Our concern for human rights.
Yeah, so human rights. So people can enter India illegally and you want to give them human rights. Dr. Pulla Rao, has Mr. Balan said what you wanted to say? Or do you want to add more? Dr. Pulla Rao? Sir, you muted yourself, sir. I will fight for your right to speak.
I just want to say one thing. When the Rohingya started coming in 2017, there is the Home Ministry, there is a border security force. Somebody says they're coming through tunnels or they're coming through boats. They can't fly on the air on their own.
Okay, now Dr. Pullara, that's a very smart comment. Now 1 minute. You know, full of logic, common sense. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Oh, 1 minute. Dr. Pullara, 1 minute. I'll forget what I want to ask. By this logic, sir, Kasab entered. He just, lost his way. We should have sent him back. Why did we put him in jail? His GPS malfunctioned. So he went straight to Bombay, killed some people. Never mind. Because he entered, we should send him back with full honors. Or at least give him his rights here. Right?
1 second. Everybody knows how Rohingyas come. Who is supplying the buses to them? Who is giving them the Aadhaar machines to print their cards at the border? What is the government doing?
So you
allow them to come
so
in.
you concede that they are illegals? Dr. Pullara, do you concede they are illegals? Say yes.
You see, of course.
Of course.
Illegals have everything. Illegals have a right.
Now you want rights for illegals? Say yes again.
I'm sorry to tell you, the Supreme Court...
No, you don't be sorry. I am sorry to hear your argument. You say yes. Do you want rights for illegals?
Supreme Court, if you say they're illegal, they're illegal. If they're coming without a visa, they're illegal.
Then why are you batting for their rights? हाजिर अंग्रेज, जो लोग घुसपैठिए हैं, जो अंदर घुस जाते हैं बिना कागज के, बिना कागज दिखाए, कागज नहीं दिखाएंगे बोलते हैं, वो अंदर आ जाते हैं, उनके लिए राइट्स होने चाहिए।
देखिए, जब पाकिस्तान से आए हुए हिंदू जितने भी हैं, दिल्ली में भी वैसे हुए हैं, देश में आए हुए हैं, उन्हें तो जो सरकार जो है सीए का कानून लाके उन्हें तो यहाँ पे नागरिकता दी जाएगी। अरे जो लोग आ गए वहां पे किसी वजह से कोई कारणवश रहा होगा, नहीं तो कौन आता है? वो अगर आ गए तो हमारी सरकार का दिल और सरकार का दिल भी बड़ा होना चाहिए।
दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए,
दिल बड़ा है और वो कहते हैं कि हम उन लोगों को नागरिकता देंगे, तो रोहिंग्या को भी नागरिकता दे दे हमारे देश।
सही बात।
लोग
दिल,
तो उसमें क्या परेशानी है
दिल को? अभी मैं एक रोहिंग्या कैंप से 10 लोग भेज रहा हूं आपके घर, आप दिल बड़ा कीजिए, पहले तो उनको रखिए आप। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
I think, look, Pranesh, I think the time has come for us to be honest about the way the Indian state conducts itself. I think the time has come for the state to take away Hindu citizenship, period. I think that will be the right thing to do, honestly. As it is, we are being constitutionally, legally, socially, educationally discriminated against. So why keep up this pretense that we are equal citizens of this country? We can't approach the courts to reclaim our temples. Our temples are under government control. We are refugees in our own land. Our schools are forced to provide reservations. Our mass murderers are being felicitated and celebrated. Our festivals and way of life is being regulated and adjudicated upon. So why keep the pretense?
No, you are right. वो बोल रहे हैं, हाजी साहब बोल रहे हैं, दिल बड़ा करो, दिल बड़ा, शहजाद दिल बड़ा कीजिए, आने दीजिए उनको.
First of all, on this दिल बड़ा करना चाहिए entire issue. So then let the Israeli settlers in West Bank and Gaza remain there. Why do you advocate that violence should be used to remove them? Mr. Balan, will you like to take a stand that let the Israeli settlers in West Bank and Gaza remain there? There they say, nahi, they should be removed, eliminated anyhow. Then you should have a bada dil in that case also. Secondly, this is not just an issue about Rohingyas. In fact, it is also about Ghuspaitiya Bachao or VRP, vote bank rating points, badhane ki baat. But it is also about insulting the institutions of constitution. The Supreme Court is being told that it does loose talk. The Supreme Court is being told that it is talking for TRP. These are the people who say hum Samvidhan Bachao wali gang mein hai. And they attack, you see in the last debate, in this debate, they are attacking the Supreme Court and Chief Justice of India. And they have attacked the Parliament of India by saying that kutte andar baiठते हैं, and they are saying they are Samvidhan Rakshak. Thirdly, I want to ask that why are we so surprised about the stand that Mr. Kalyan Banerjee has taken when the government of India has declared Rohingya as the internal security threat, by the way, and then Aam Aadmi Party and the Prashant Bhushan and all their ilk went to court to save them and not get deported. Mamata Banerjee said Rohingyas are common people, they are not terrorists. The same Mamata Banerjee in 2005, by the way, Mr. Balan, was throwing papers against Somnath Chatterjee saying that the left is harboring all these illegals. So that time Mamata Banerjee was wrong, or today Mamata Banerjee is wrong? Mr. Balan is a practicing hypocrite because he will take one stand in one case, other stand in other case. And finally, who is the one who supports the Ghuspaitias? Sam Pitroda says कि आगे तो रहने दो. Saida Hamid says this. Gas cylinder देने की बात.
But the quote of the evening, Dr. Ranganathan, is दिल बड़ा कीजिए. आपका दिल बड़ा है. Haji Rangrej, Pulla Rao, Mr. Balan are all yours.
नहीं, let me give you some statistics कि किसका दिल कितना बड़ा है, आपको सब पता चल जाएगा. Number of Rohingya refugees currently living in USA 5,000, Europe 3,000, Jordan 1,300, Indonesia 1,200, Canada 1,100, Japan 560, Qatar 20, India 40,000. अरे शर्म कर लो. Qatar and Islamic Republic has taken 20 Rohingyas. Jordan, Indonesia, other Muslim nations 1,000 each, and India 40,000. लेकिन hey, मोदी इज एंटी मुस्लिम. रंगरेज साहब, आप तो हज गए हुए हैं, आप तो अल्लाह से डरिए कम से कम.
हज तो नहीं, वो AIMIM से कांग्रेस पहुंच रहे हैं.
देखिए प्रनेश भाई, जिस तरीके से अभी ओथर साहब हमारे जो है वो बता रहे थे, तो मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि ये लगातार जो मामला बार बार ये रोहिंग्याओं की बात आ रही है. जब रोहिंग्याओं पे सवाल पूछते हैं सदन में लोग, विपक्ष के नेता, कि कितने लोगों को आपने, कितने लोग इस देश में गलत तरीके से आए हुए हैं, तो एक सरकार जो है उसका,
हाजी साहब गलत तरीके से तो आ गए, वो तो मैंने पहले ही कह दिया कि क्योंकि कोई गलत तरीके से आ गया तो क्या उसको सब सिलेंडर दे देना चाहिए, गैस दे देना चाहिए, लाइटर दे देना चाहिए, सब कुछ दे देना चाहिए.
भाई जिस तरीके से देखिए सरकार को आंकड़े बताने चाहिए.
अरे आंकड़े छोड़ दीजिए, एक काम कीजिए, तो जो लोग आ गए उनको LOP बना दीजिए, आप कांग्रेस का नेता बना दीजिए, कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट बना दीजिए, दिल बड़ा कीजिए. आप बनाएंगे किसी रोहिंग्या को कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट? आप बोलिए.
देखिए प्रनेश भाई, हमारी पार्टी में बाकायदा चुनाव होता है. ये तो पर्ची से जिनके लोग बनते हैं, जो पर्ची खुलती है जिन पार्टियों की, उनकी अलग बात है. हमारी पार्टी में तो पूरा
हाँ, आपके पार्टी में तो बहुत चुनाव होता है, वहां वोट चोरी नहीं, चुनाव चोरी हो रहा है वहां पे. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, आपका दिल बड़ा है?
मेरा दिल बिल्कुल बड़ा नहीं है. मेरा दिल ऐसा है कि ऑनरेबल कोर्ट हैज आल्सो सेड दैट which where the government ordered to declare Rohingyas as a refugee. That's a moot question. First thing. Second, where is the internal security? How they were allowed to enter? If they are entered illegally.
But sir, we've gone beyond that. Shehzad, quickly. अंदर कैसे आ जाते हैं?
Just 2 days ago, the Kolkata High Court has said that Mamata Banerjee has not allowed 400 kilometers to be given to the BSF so that they can erect their post. That is precisely the only area where they can enter from. The remaining has been barricaded. The remaining has been already fenced. But my question to Mr. Haji Rangrej is, अभी उन्होंने बोला रोहिंग्या illegal है. The government of India has declared them as a national security threat. Does Congress agree? हाजी साहब.
देखिए रोहिंग्याओं के आप बता दीजिए, एक उन्होंने कोई बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हमारे देश के लिए करा.
नहीं तो एक्सीडेंट का हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं. इंतजार डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, वो जब कुछ करेंगे हम उसके बाद स्टैंड लेंगे.
नहीं, देखिए चीजें तभी समटेंगी जब रोहिंग्या कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट बनेगा. इटालियन को बना चुके हैं, अंग्रेज भी बन चुका था फाउंडर. अब रोहिंग्या की बारी है, बनने दीजिए, उसके बाद चीजें सहज जाएंगी.
डाइवर्सिटी, टॉलरेंस, डेमोक्रेसी एंड बड़ा दिल. I thank all of you. We've run out of time, viewers. We have a large heart. We are all large-hearted here on the panel, but समय की सीमा है. The news are with Navita Kumar on the other side.